The Carney government is trying to push through Bill C-22, which would require electronic service providers like phone companies, messaging apps like Signal and Telegram, and internet companies to store users' metadata for up to a year so that cops and CSIS can use it to, quote, combat threats and criminal activity. This is obviously for surveillance purposes. For those of you who don't know, metadata is information about your data, like the location you sent a text from, the type of camera you use to capture a video, that kind of thing. It can basically reveal where you go, who you communicate with, and what you do. The threshold for getting this info is low. As Marie-Hélène Gay notes in her column for the Rover, quote, it is based on a relatively low legal threshold, reasonable grounds to suspect. Technically, any jealous police officer or minister curious about the past of a person they are seeking to imprison or whose rights they are seeking to restrict could employ this. This bill will also allow law enforcement to use this information in court. Signal, an encrypted messaging app, said it would rather shut down Canadian operations than, quote, be compelled to compromise on the privacy promises we have made to our users. A lot of journalists like myself use this app to talk to vulnerable people. The Internet Society, a coalition of civil society organizations, companies, and cybersecurity experts, wrote an open letter to the government saying, quote, there is no way to provide backdoor access to encrypted data and communications without compromising the privacy and security of millions of law-abiding citizens. Conservative and NDP MPs and Green Party leader Elizabeth May voiced their opposition to C-22 during the second reading of the bill in April. Apple, Meta, and representatives from the US government worried that it could compromise cybersecurity. You know it's bad if tech giants and the US are telling you that it's not worth the trade-off for more surveillance. Bill C-22 could also compel international companies to break the law of its home country. Switzerland-based Proton VPN said they could not hand over data without following Swiss legal processes. The bill has passed its second reading, but is currently under review by the Standing Committee on Public Safety and National Security. The Liberals say there's a lot of misunderstanding surrounding the bill, but that they're open to amending it.